Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, it's going to be a real quick one for y'all, but I did want to go over what happened to me when I upgraded to the new macOS Sequoia. Now, if you're not aware, Mac released an update to their operating system called Sequoia, and I believe that was version 15. And when I upgraded to the new macOS, I have two computers. I have a Mac Studio, and then I also have a MacBook Pro. Now, one has an Intel chip, and one actually has a M2 processor. Well, when I upgraded, everything went fine, or so it appeared. However, one thing did not go off quite right, and that was my Google Drive. Now, Google Drive was working, but not. And you say, what? Working, but not? Well, up here in the taskbar up here, the Google Drive icon was here. So I could access my Google Drive documents. However, when I went over to Finder, and I fixed it since the issue, by the way. But when I went over here to Finder, I noticed that in the location section here, my Google Drives were no longer there. So the only way I could access my Google Drive was via the icon at the top. Why they disappeared from locations, I don't know, because on my MacBook Pro, it did not disappear. It only disappeared on my M2 Mac Studio here. So why that happened? Not really sure. But how did I fix it? Well, I had to reinstall Google Drive. That's right. I downloaded Google Drive and reinstalled it. And when I reinstalled it, it showed back up here in locations. So if you notice that your Google Drive has disappeared, going up here to settings or Finder settings isn't going to do you any good, because you see there's a section here called cloud storage. It was checkmarked, but it still wasn't showing. So after I realized that, the only way I could fix it was by reinstalling Google Drive on my hard drive, which was no big deal. I just downloaded it, reinstalled it. I didn't have to log back in or anything because it kept all the settings, right? But just an FYI, if it's missing out of the locations section, you just have to reinstall Google Drive. But I would just check up here first, because who knows, maybe a setting in Finder changed, and check and make sure cloud storage is checkmarked. But if it is checkmarked and it's still not showing there, and I even unchecked it and checked it again just to see if that would cause it to pop up, but it didn't. But if that doesn't work, then the only way to do it that I've found so far was just to reinstall Google Drive, and your Google Drives will show back up here under locations in your Finder window. So I hope this was helpful for you all. And if it was, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.